Hey guys, I know I've been recording a lot of videos today, but I want to make sure you have all the resources that you need to continue our at-home distance learning. The next chapter of math was going to be double-digit addition and subtraction. So I just kind of wanted to hop on here. I know that eSpark has supplemental videos for you to watch, and they're actually going to teach you on those videos how to do it. But I figured if I could share my screen and show you some quick tricks that I normally teach in the classroom. That way we can kind of keep on the same page. I thought I would upload that to YouTube, okay? So let's see. If I'm going to start with double digit addition. Now bear with me because I haven't used this technology before. All right, so if I'm adding the number 23, oh, that was big, sorry, plus, let's say we're going to add 45. These are the steps I take, okay? Sorry, I know it's sloppy, but I'm doing the best I can. So first, I draw a line to separate the tens and the ones place. So remember, our tens are over here, and our ones are over here. That's what we're working on right before we left, okay? So I'm gonna draw a line right down the middle, okay? Now, we can't cross over. We have to add the tens with the 10, or I'm sorry, the ones with the ones and the tens with the tens, okay? So we're not adding 2 and 3, and we're not adding 4 and 5. We're actually gonna add 3 and 5 together. That line should help you be able to divide and see. So when we're first starting out with double-digit addition and subtraction, what I tell students to do is to draw the amount of circles next to that number. So for example, I'm gonna draw 3 circles next to 3. Okay, sorry, sloppy. And then I'm going to draw 5 circles next to 5, okay? It's hard to do on my laptop, but I'm doing my best. All right, so now I'm going to count them all up, okay? I know I have 5 here, so I don't need to start at 1. I'm just going to count on from 5. So 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? So here's 8, okay? So 8 is the answer in my ones place. Now I'm going to go move on to the tens place and do the same thing. 1, 2, next to 2, and 4 circles next to 4. All right, and then I'm going to go ahead and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is my answer for the tens place. So my final answer is 68, okay? So 23 plus 45 would be 68, okay? Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you subtraction, okay? I'm just doing this as like a mini lesson. If you guys need help, please have your parents reach out to me and we can set up a Zoom session together to do the problems that you're working on, okay? So now I'm gonna go on to subtraction. Actually, before I do that, let's do another addition problem, okay? So let's do 12 plus 81, okay? I didn't think you could do this. So my first step, once I set up my problem, I'm gonna draw a line to separate the tens and the ones place, okay? Sorry, my line's crooked. So first I'm gonna draw 2 dots next to 2, 1 dot next to 1. Now I'm gonna count it up. So I know I have 2 here, 3. So 3 is the answer that's gonna go in my ones place, okay? So now I'm going to move over to my tens place. Draw 1 circle here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I drew 8 circles next to 8 and 1 next to 1. So I know I have 8 here, plus 1 more is 9, okay? So my answer is 93, okay? So that's addition, all right? Adding, we know we put together. Subtract, we take apart. All right, so I'm gonna quickly show you a subtraction problem. Again, these are just to get you started. If your parents are, you find yourself needing more support, just have them reach out to me on Dojo and we'll set up. This is all on eSpark too. All right, so 53 minus 12. All right, so we're gonna do the same steps for addition, just reverse it for subtraction, okay? So my first step, I'm gonna draw that line to separate my tens. Ooh, sorry, my line went crooked. Let me undo that. To separate my tens and my ones, okay? Ooh, there we go. So draw that line down the middle. All right, so now it's subtraction. So I'm gonna draw 3 dots next to 3. but I'm subtracting 2. So I'm going to cross out, just like we would in class, 2 of these dots, and I'm left with 1. Okay. I'm going to go over to the 10 side. I'm going to draw 5 dots next to 5, but because I'm subtracting, I'm taking away this 1. So I'm going to cross out 1. Okay. Then I'm left with 4 in the tens place. So my answer would be 41. All right. So do one more. All right, let's do 76, sorry, minus 24. How's that? All right, so my first step, I'm going to draw that line right down the middle, separate my tens and ones. Draw 6 circles next to 6. All right, now I have that. Now I'm subtracting 4, so I'm going to cross out 4. Remember, you always got to look at that sign. All right, and then I'm left with 2 in the ones place. All right, 7 circles next to 7 in my tens place, and I'm going to cross out 2. Now I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because again, I'm subtracting. So my answer is 52. Okay, so that was just a brief introduction to double-digit addition and subtraction. Again, please reach out. Any questions, I'll be happy to do our morning meeting. I'm sorry, not a morning meeting, a little Zoom meeting with you, or we can do it together. Okay, all right, guys, I will talk to you later.